Hello everyone, myself A.S. Falmari. In this video, we are going to learn how to solve or how to find the solution of linear programming problem. Learning outcome: at the end of this session, students will be able to find the solution of linear programming problem. So what is the linear programming problem? A linear programming problem is a problem of maximizing or minimizing a linear function subject to certain conditions, which are also called as the constraints. So generally a linear programming problem has such a general form. A function which is to be maximized or minimized is called the objective function. Here this maximize or minimize z is equal to this function is called what? Objective function. And we want to maximize or minimize this function subject to the conditions. These m inequalities, these are called constraints. And one more additional constraint, that all the variables involved in these expressions x1, x2, xn are all non-negative. So this is the general form of a linear programming problem. Now next one is, what is the solution of this linear programming problem? So here the n variables are involved. It means we have to find out the values of these n variables. So solution of this linear programming problem means it is the set of n numbers x1, x2, xn which satisfies these m inequalities only. So such a set is called the solution of this linear programming problem. The definition is written here. Now what is the feasible solution? A solution is said to be feasible if it satisfies one more additional restriction, that all the numbers x1, x2, xn are non-negative. Okay. And one more definition is optimal feasible solution. A feasible solution is said to be optimal when that set of n numbers maximizes or minimizes this objective function. Okay. So there is a relation from solution to feasible solution and feasible solution to optimal solution. Solution means that set of n numbers simply satisfy these m restrictions, and feasible solution means with respect to these conditions it also satisfies this one more restriction, and optimal feasible solution means that set of n numbers satisfies these inequalities, this non-negative restriction, and also it maximizes or minimizes the given objective function. Okay, all these three are definitions. Now in this video we are going to learn the simplex method. The simplex method is used to maximize the objective function subject to certain constraints. If the given problem is of minimization type, in that case also simplex method is used with the help of one of the trick. We are going to discuss it later. So for the simplex method, we can write the general form as maximize z equal to this expression and subject to these m constraints and all the variables are non-negative. The general form for the simplex method and the original general form has the only one difference. In the general form, maximize and minimize is involved, but for the general form of simplex method, minimize is removed. Now next is the standard form of this general form. The standard form from the given linear programming problem is obtained like this. First of all, we have to write down the given objective function in terms of maximization form, and then we have to write down the remaining constraints like this. We have to convert the each inequality present in the general form to equality constraint by adding a certain non-negative condition to the left hand side of each constraint. Since you can observe that all the constraints are of less than or equal to type, it means if we add some non-negative quantity required in the left hand side to establish the equality, then it will be converted to the equality. So such a non-negative quantity which is added in the left hand side to convert this inequality to equality, that is called the slack variable. and we will denote it by the letter S to the suffix numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. So for the first inequality, let us add the slack variable S1 so that we get equality. In the second constraint, we can add a new slack variable called S2 so that we get the equality, and so on, adding the slack variables. In the last equation, we can also add a slack variable Sm so that we can convert that inequality to the equality. At the same time, we have to mention or involve these m slack variables in the objective function with their coefficients 0. Okay, and one more restriction in the standard form is that all the right hand side coefficients are must be non-negative. If there are some right hand sides having negative sign, to convert it to positive one, we have to multiply that whole inequality by minus sign. Okay, this is what the standard form. The standard form means objective function is must be in the maximization type, and second, all the constraints less than or equal to type are converted to the equation constraint by adding the slack variables in the left hand side and writing the same slack variables in the objective function with the zero coefficients. This is what the standard form of linear programming problem for simplex method. Whatever the point just I have said that are written here. Now next is the definitions of basic variables and basic solution. So what is basic variable and basic solution? A set of n variables x1, x2, so on up to xn together, which satisfy the equality constraints in the standard form. That variables are called the basic variables, and if you consider the set of basic variables, that set is called the basic solution, or it is simply called as a basis. So simply a basic variable or a basic solution means it is the collection of n numbers which satisfies this equality constraints. Okay, and next definition is a basic feasible solution. Again it is same. So if all the basic variables are non-negative, then the basic solution is called basic feasible solution. That is a feasible solution in which all the variables involved are non-negative, then it is called basic feasible solution. And finally, optimal basic feasible solution means a basic feasible solution which optimizes means maximizes or minimizes the given linear programming problem is called optimal basic feasible solution.